Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change the default search engine here in Brave browser. So what you're gonna do is on the upper right corner, click these three horizontal lines, and then go to settings. On the left side, find the search engine tab. So as you can see, for the normal window, the search engine is Google. You can click change here, and then you can choose from these several options. If you want, for example, Bing, click set as default. So the next time you search something, so for example, news. So you can see it now uses Bing, and don't worry because the websites is still there. It's just that the way that they present it, like which one will be the topmost article from your website or from where you search, it will be different from different search engines. But the article is still there. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.